Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick video I will show you how to set up and test your microphone in Windows. So without any further ado, let's get started. First step is open sound settings. So you just need to be right click on the sound icon, like here you can see this is the sound icon. You just need to be click over here, and then you just need to be open sound setting from the menu. Once you did, scroll down to the input item. Before that, here you can see this is the input one. So from that place you can choose whatever you want. Yeah, I am choosing microphone for me. So this way you can list it microphone device where you want. Then the next step is choose your microphone. Click the drop down under to the drive for speaking or recording. So here you can see that our microphone is working perfectly. So you just need to choose yours perfectly. Select the microphone you want to use. If you're using an external mic, make sure it is plugged in first. Then you just need to adjust volume and boost. You just need to click on input device properties. So this is the input input. So you just need to go over here, and from that place you can increase the volume, decrease the volume also. And then you just need to test microphone. Go back to the sound setting and page and scroll to your test your microphone option. So here you can see, if I click on more sound setting, then you will eventually find out a couple of things. So from that means you can test your microphone. So here we have a couple of options like the radio, and here you can see the green arrow is working when I am talking in here. So this way you can test your microphone. Let me give you a bonus tip, that is, if it is not working, try clicking on troubleshoot next to the input device. Windows will scan and fix common issues. So here you can see troubleshoot common sound problems, like it could be output device or input device. Then that's it for today. Your mic is now set up and listed or tested on Windows 11. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.